Anya.
Lucky. He there, kite. Come on in. How
Mm.
are you? How are you today? Fine, thanks. He lucky.
Hi, Luki.
I
Luki.
lucky. Whole things. Okay, well, as I explained on the phone, I am counselor here at the student service
Services.
services sections of the university, and I am interviewing ourselves students to help the drop of a guide of new students of for new students. So I did be grateful if you could tell me a little about your time since you have been here in Cambridge, right? So good idea.
Mm.
New kite.
Good idea.
Good idea.
Mm.
No,
Now.
no, kid. Let's start with you.
Mm.
Okay. This is your second semester, isn't it? Could you tell me some things about your first
Impressions.
impressions of the town when you arrived? Yeah. Well, first of all, I was struck
Mm.
by how quiet it is here in the evening report. Yes, I suppose Cambridge is a quiet place. Where did you live when you first
Right.
arrived? Well, I want started
Straight.
into
Straight.
state
Mm.
into students
Accommodation.
uh,
Accommodations.
accommodations.
It
It
is
was a kind of student hostel.
hostel.
Huh. Right. So you didn't have to worry about doing your own looking cooking
Mm.
or anything like that. Sometime I watched.
Mm.
I had I food at the food at the hostel was awful,
Awful.
our
Awful.
awful. Oh dear, but how were the other students? To be honest, I haven't managed to make many friends even even though the place is full. People seem to keep to themselves. They are not really very friendly.
Mm.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that. Well, that about the actually cousin
Actual
course
course.
course you have studies.
You are.
You are studying.
Mm.
Hmm. I am doing a master by
Mm.
concept
Coursework.
courseworks in
Environmental.
environmental
Environmental studies.
mental studies.
Mm.
Oh, right. And how are you finding that?
Mm. Mm.
Yeah.
Mm.
Well, it is being pretty good, really.
Pretty good.
Pretty
Pretty good.
pretty
Pretty good.
pretty good, really. I have enjoyed the course, but I feel there isn't been through contacts with the lectures. There are seem to be
Mm.
incredibly
Incredibly.
incredibly
Incredibly
busy.
busy.
Their only change
Chance.
chance I have really had to talk to them was on the field trip.
Field trip.
Well, that's on good, no good. Called anything be doing
Done.
done to improve
Mm.
the cause in your
Opinion.
opinion.
Mm.
Well, I think it would be helpful to have meetings where lectures on the course,
Mm.
say once a for,
Fortnight.
fortnight, some things like that. regularly meetings. You dad, you yes, dad cold certainly help. No quite welcome back to you in a minute, but I did just like to ask Lucky some question.
Lucky
Lucky some question.
question.
Lucky, where are you from? I am from Indonesia. And how did you find Cambridge when you first arrived? Well, I like it here. I think the city is very beautiful. What about your economy
Competition.
accommodations? Was that okay? Yes, okay. At first, I stayed with family for 3 months. They were very kind to me, but they had three young children, and I found it difficult to study. Right, I see. So, upon their month,
After 3 months.
after 3 months, I moved out and knew I live with two other students in a student's house. It much
It's much
it's much
cheaper.
cheaper and we like it there. Good. And what about your studies? What's your studies? I am doing I am doing bachelor's of computing. Computing, I see apart from the language difficult
Difficulties.
difficulties, if you can
Separate.
separate them. Who have you found the course? Okay, but yes, go
Go on.
no.
Go on.
Go on. Well, the mine difficult for me in getting time on the computers in the computer room. It's always by and this
Busy.
busy and this makes it very hard to do my particularly work,
Particular practical part.
practical work. Yes, I am sure it called. Can you reserve time in the computer room? No, you can't. But it would certainly help if we called service computer.
Reserve. Reserve.
Reserve computer time. Yes, I will look into that and see if some things can be done to improve things over there. Now let's go back to kite.
Kate.
Kit.